Your hot flashes are gone, you're sleeping better, your mood is improved, and your hormones finally look balanced. So, why is your hair still getting thinner? Because balancing hormones and restoring hair growth are not always the same thing. And that's the frustrating reality many women discover far too late. This is one of the most common things I hear from women in menopause. My HRT is working, my labs look great, the doctor says everything is normal, yet every month their part looks wider, their ponytail feels smaller, and the shedding continues. I've worked with over 1,500 women with hair loss, and this is one of the biggest misconceptions about menopause hair loss. HRT helps address hormonal changes, but hair grows from a follicle, and follicles don't always recover just because your hormone levels improve. And for many women, the follicles have already been under stress for months or even years before the treatment begins. When I examine scalp under magnification, I often see things that aren't visible in the mirror, like redness, irritation, inflammation, follicles that look compromised, and a scalp can look completely normal on the surface while showing signs of stress underneath. This is why some women feel dramatically better on HRT but see little improvement in their hair. The hormones may have improved, but the scalp environment has not improved. Healthy hair requires a healthy follicle environment. If the scalp is inflamed, irritated, or not supported with optimal follicle function, hair growth will continue to struggle. That's why addressing menopause hair loss often requires looking beyond the hormone levels alone. So, if your HRT is working, but your hair is still thinning, the next step is understanding what's happening at the follicle level. I'm Misti Barnes, certified trichologist and trainer, and I help women identify the real causes behind menopause-related hair loss. Subscribe for weekly videos on menopause hair loss, scalp health, and evidence-based treatment options. And if you'd like a personal assessment, you'll find a link to book a consultation with me in the description below.